day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Margie Ramos, 34 years old, married. I have 2 children. I graduate computer secretarial. As my work experience, I work in United Arab Emirates as domestic helper.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Margie. How are you right now?
I'm fine, thank you, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
It must be honest, hardworking, and trustworthy.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
The proper way to take care of children is taking a bath every day, giving him nutritious food, and giving them vitamins and love as my own child.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I am sorry, I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me, and I promise to do my job, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Margie, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.